Okay, boys and girls, we are going to talk about Chapter 2. Chapter 2 has to do with numbers to 1,000. Okay, on this page, just show what you know. You need to go ahead and do this page on your own as much as you can. This is supposed to be stuff that you have already done before. Okay? This says, write how many. So, how many leaves are there? You're going to write it. How many bugs are there? Write it. Okay? Yep, right now. Okay, boys and girls. We are going to do the vocabulary builder together. Okay? Okay, some vocabulary words or review words that we talked about last time in Chapter 1 was more, fewer, digits, tens, and ones. Okay? We will have a few other vocabulary words too, but a lot of them are the same. This says, fill in the boxes of the graphic organizer, write sentences using fewer and more. Okay, so these can be lots of different things, like, and you guys get to pick your own numbers and things like that, okay? But this box is saying fewer. So we are going to write a sentence with fewer. They actually already have one written for you. 9 pens is fewer than 11 pens. Okay? So, give me a number, ma'am.
1,000.
Less than that.
100.
Huh?
100.
Okay, 100. Give me another number, Vivian.
1,000.
I told him how to say less than that. Lower number. Okay. 600. Give me an item. That's it. Okay. So, we're going to use the sharps. Okay. So, let's look at these numbers. Which one is fewer? I like that. You know, I have lots of people raising their hand. Everyone, what is it?
100.
100 is fewer. So, 100 sharps is fewer than 600 sharps. Write that down. I'm going to pause. Those of you that are watching this video, you guys go ahead and pause so that you can read this, and then that way our video is not so long. Okay, now we're going to use the word more. So, give me a number. Okay. Guys, if I told one student they can't use 1,000, no one can use 1,000. Okay? Pick a different number. Okay, 180. Give me another number, Anthony.
600.
You already used that one.
Okay, 700. 500.
How about we use one that has some pins in it, like she did?
Okay. 525.
525. Okay. And items. Vivian. Bugs? Bows. Okay. What number is more? 180 or 525? What number is more? I like these numbers because I think they're tricky. 180 or 525? Which one is more, Emma?
525.
Right. 500 is more than 100.
Yes.
So, 525 bows are more than 180 bows. Okay, I'm going to pause again. Those of you watching the video, pause so you can write the rest of the sentence and then you can play again. Okay, one student said 19 and one student said 190 and we said fish are what we are going to talk about. Which one is big? More. Which one is more? 19 or 190? Grayson?
90, 100.
What's the number? What's this number? Okay, what's the first number? We have it. We have it. What's that number? 19. And what is this number? 190. You don't want to say and 90, you just say 190. So what is the bigger number? 19 or 190? Yes, 190 is more. So we're going to say 190 fish are more than 19 fish. Once again, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, understand vocabulary. Use the review words, which are these words in the yellow, to complete the sentences. Okay, there's only 3 blanks here, boys and girls. There are 5 words up here. We will not use every single word, but we will have to pick the right words. Understand? Okay, number 1 says 3 and 9. So the number 3 and the number 9 are what in the number 39? Are they more in the number 39? Fewer in the number 39? Are they digits in the number 39? Are they tens in the number 39 or are they ones in the number 39? Look, it says 3 and 9. Not just one of them. 3 and 9. So those are what, Haley? Digits. So you write that. Digits in the number 39. Okay? Write that down. Number 2. 7 is in the blank place in the number 87. 7 is in the more place in the number 87. In the fewer place in the number 87. We already used digits. We're not going to use that one again. In the tens place or in the ones place? What do you think, Vivian? In the ones place. 7 is in the ones place in the number 87. And number 3. 8 is in the what place in the number 87? Everyone? 10.